Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Monster Hunter Stories 3 two-state reflection game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. Now the first fix includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4. And after following all the 4 steps, then you can check if your problem is solved or not. However, you can also check if your problem is solved or not after following each step. So here we go. Step 1, make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2 is to clear Monster Hunter Stories 3 two-state reflection cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on My Games and Apps and then click on See All. Look for Monster Hunter Stories 3 two-state reflection game and then highlight it. Then press Menu and select Manage Game and Add-ons. Click on Save Data, Reserve Space and then click on Clear Reserve Space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile and make sure you click Delete from console when deleting. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. Now go to Xbox settings, go to Devices and Connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see this feature in your Xbox console, then skip this step. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to General Network Settings, navigate to Advanced Settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. Now after following all the 4 steps, then you can go ahead, launch the Monster Hunter Stories 3 two-state reflection game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2, remove and re-add account. Go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now add your account. After adding your account, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3, manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in General tab select Network Settings, Test Network Connection, Advanced Settings. Select the alternate port selection and then click on Manual. Click on Select Port and select a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. And then restart your console and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then select the port one by one and see which one works for you. Fix 4 is to run Monster Hunter Stories 3 two-state reflection from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do so, type Monster Hunter Stories 3 two-state reflection in the search bar and click on it and then click on Launch Game and check. Fix 5 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in General tab select Network Settings, Advanced Settings, go to DNS Settings, Manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check. And the last solution is to reinstall Monster Hunter Stories 3 two-state reflection game. If nothing seems to work, then last solution is to simply uninstall Monster Hunter Stories 3 two-state reflection game from your Xbox and then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and check if it fixes your issues or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Monster Hunter Stories 3 two-state reflection game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen issue, black screen problem or stuck on black screen issue on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.